Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to everyone present. Okay, just a
Monday there are only 26 students present in the class.
okay. All right. So we were doing exercise 4.4, question number 1, G part. We actually finished it at the end, almost meeting was over. So I had solved it and sent it. And I could not record yesterday's meeting. So in case you are looking for it on YouTube, you won't find it. Okay. Okay, Gurshan, beta, we can do the G part again. Let's take a look. Anwar thinks of a number and then he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number. So take away, first of all, do mark or do write down in your books the meaning of the word take away. It means subtracts. So he's subtracting 7 from 5 by 2 of the number. So 5 by 2 of the number would mean 5 by 2 times x minus 7 equals to 23. Gurshan, beta, tell me if it is clear how we have formed the equation. If you want, I can write along with you once again. Okay. So after that, you have to solve. We have 5 by 2 x minus 7 equals to 23. This is the equation we have formed. 7 को subtract करना था, किस में से करना था? 5 by 2 of the number में से करना था. Always keep in mind if you're doing subtraction, जिसके साथ from लगा होगा वो वाला portion पहले आएगा और जिस चीज को subtract करना है वो बाद में आएगा. First of all, I have transposed -7 to the other side. पहले -7 को हमने shift किया है right side पे, उधर जाके वो +7 हो जाएगा. We get 5 by 2x equals to 30 and then 5 by 2 this fraction. ये पूरी की पूरी जो fraction है ये multiply हो रही है. और इसको जब हम उधर भेजेंगे तो किस में कन्वर्ट होगी? डिवीजन में कन्वर्ट होगी. मल्टीप्लिकेशन गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू डिवीजन. और हम फ्रैक्शंस की डिवीजन कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं? बाय टेकिंग रेसिप्रोकल. आप रेसिप्रोकल लोगे 5 by 2 का और मल्टीप्लाई करके इसको सॉल्व कर दोगे, ये आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. Okay, let's take a look at the next question. Okay, let me know once you have noted this down. Ashit, when we convert a division of fractions, आप division को division को multiplication में convert करते हो. This is how we solve the division with a fraction. जब division convert होगी multiplication में, reciprocal लेके solve होगा. You have done chapter 2. Chapter 2 में आपने इतने सारे questions किए हैं division by fractions. Okay, Harpreet, that's very good if you have done that. Rishit, beta, have you noted down? Okay. Yes, Angad. Angad, meet.
Ma'am, I have done the question number 2, A part, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Sure. Does anyone know who is Jagnoor
Ma'am,
Singh Bhatia? Is it someone's sibling, Jagnoor? Okay, that must be by mistake. All right, let's take a look at the next question. Question number second, first part. You're given, this is a question we have done in 4.1, I think. Do you remember the statement?
yes, ma'am.
If you remember, then very good. In case you don't, तो आप exercise 4.1 का जो last question है, आप वो check कर सकते हो. ये वहां से आए हैं questions. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? Ananya, ATQ
Ma'am,
stands for according to question. I have been using this earlier also. ATQ stands for according to question.
ma'am, the equation will be 2x plus 7 is equal to 87. 2x
Right.
equals to 87 minus 7. 2x is equal to 80. Ma'am, x is equal to 80 over 2. And ma'am, lowest marks equals to 40 marks.
That's correct. If you remember how we had formed the equation while doing 4.1, because in exercise 4.1 we only had to make equations, वहां पे हमने solve नहीं किया था. तो अगर तो आपको याद है कि हमने equation कैसे बनाई थी, that's very good. In case आपको भूल गया है, so we are just going to quickly write this down. In your question they are asking you to find out what is the lowest score. You have to find out the lowest score. We will start by assuming the lowest score as x. And according to the statement, according to the question, it's given that highest score is equal to twice the lowest score plus 7. All right, Gunjanpreet, that's completely fine. Okay, Ananya and Gunjanpreet, that's completely okay. Now, using the values, highest score is given as 87 equals to twice the lowest score. Lowest score has been represented by x. Twice कैसे लिखेंगे हम? 2x. Double that value. Double that value plus 7. Yes, Anad?
Ma'am, in 4.1 there this was not question. Ma'am, the question was that ma'am, twice of lowest was not the question. Ma'am, only lowest marks was there.
I'm not sure. Please check. It's twice the lowest score plus 7.
Ma'am, it is in ma'am this exercise. Ma'am, in 4.1 the
Check.
question.
I want you to check. Anad, I want you to check. Take a look.
Okay, ma'am.
Turn to page 82 and check. This is the answer. The lowest marks in the class is 40.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Gursimran?
Ma'am, I want to say that I had completed this all exercise.
Very good.
And may I speak answer?
Second part
Wait a
also.
minute. I think some students have doubts. Okay, I'm going to unmute. In case anyone has a question, you can ask. Manpreet Kaur.
I'm
I'm just for right now I'm asking if there is any doubt. Okay. Sia,
Ma'am, I want to answer A part.
okay. Wait, Rishit.
Ma'am, like this number 5 by 2x. In this, the x is in the multiply case, and by moving to the other side, it will mean division. Ma'am, so can you give me an example in which the variable is in divide case?
Okay. If the variable was written with 2, if it was like this is in division, but we don't solve it the way I have done the previous part. जैसे मैंने 5/2 को ट्रांसपोज कर दिया था ना, डिविजन में कन्वर्ट कर दिया था, ये उस तरह से नहीं होगा. This one is to be done differently. You don't have such type of questions at the moment in your book.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have only in multiplication case.
Yes, where a fraction
Ma'am,
is
can I
multiplied
tell
with
the
the
answer of
variable.
B part?
Thank you,
Excuse
ma'am.
me, ma'am.
Wait a minute, Angad. Wait a minute. Let me just ask if there are students with any doubts. Gunjanpreet, beta, is there any doubt?
Ma'am, no doubt. I wanted to tell the
You
answer.
wanted to
of B
answer
part.
for the next part. Chirag,
I wanted to ask them, ma'am,
yes, Samira, beta, you can make the question like that also. Chirag, I could not hear you. What were you saying?
ma'am, can there be the question like where 87 is not given?
No, you would be given the answer. Otherwise, how will you make the The final answer is 87. अगर हम लोएस्ट स्कोर को डबल करके उसमें 7 प्लस करें तो हमें हाईएस्ट स्कोर पता चल जाएगा. तो हाईएस्ट स्कोर दिया होना चाहिए टू कंप्लीट द अदर साइड. One side is formed with that expression statement and the second side is formed with the answer. Arman,
Excuse me,
मैम
ma'am.
आपने मैम सेकंड क्वेश्चन के मैम ए पार्ट में मैम 2x मैम राइट साइड पे रखे मैम हम उसको लेफ्ट साइड पर नहीं लेके जाएंगे.
yes you can do, you can swap the sides. आप दोनों ये जो आपका 2x plus 7 है इसको आप लेफ्ट पे लिख लो, 87 को राइट साइड पे लिख लो. Since the two sides are equal, it doesn't matter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Simran,
And I want to say that Jugnoor Singh is the sibling of Harsheen.
yeah, I have admitted him.
And sometimes I also join with my brothers in Mehtab.
Okay. Let's take a look at the next question. I think there is someone with
Someone's
whose
house
sibling
is
is,
coming
yes, sibling is
noise.
attending the class. There is some noise in the background. If that person can mute themselves.
And the answer of B part is 140 degrees.
No, the answer is 70 degrees. Okay, let's take a look at
170.
Ma'am, it's 70 degrees.
part B. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degrees. What are the base angles of the triangle? Remember, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So let us just draw a rough figure of isosceles triangle, mark the base angles and the vertex angle. So let us say this is an isosceles triangle. The base angles will be equal. And we want to find out the base angles. If you take a look at the question पढ़ के देखो उसमें find out क्या करना है आपको. You have to find out the measure of the base angles. So हम क्या करेंगे, हम base angles को x से represent कर देंगे. Let each base angle, दो base angles होंगे, एक ये वाला होगा और एक ये वाला होगा. If you want, you can mark in this figure. ये दो angles हैं जिनको हम base angles कहेंगे. Let each base angle be x. इसका नाम भी x रख दिया, इसका नाम भी x रख दिया. और उन्होंने क्या दिया है हमें, उन्होंने vertex angle दिया हुआ है. वर्टेक्स एंगल होगा जो टॉप पे बन रहा है, मार्क दैट ऑल्सो। वर्टेक्स एंगल ये ऊपर बन रहा है, इसकी वैल्यू हमें 40 डिग्रीज दी हुई है। नाउ वी विल यूज द फैक्ट गिवन टू अस इन द ब्रैकेट। उन्होंने ब्रैकेट में एक आपको हिंट दिया है कि ट्राइंगल के जो तीनों एंगल्स होते हैं उनका सम कितना होता है, 180 डिग्रीज। सो सम ऑफ 3 एंगल्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल is equal to 180 degrees. This is a fact we know about a triangle. Whatever be the shape of the triangle, any type of triangle, the sum of 3 angles is always 180 degrees. Now look at the 3 angles from the figure. 2 angles are marked as x and x. The third one is 40. 3 values plus hongi yahan pe, x, x and 40. The sum is 180 degrees. Solve this equation and find out the value of x. X plus x becomes 2x. That's correct. Angad, Anhad. Yes, Chirag, you can do that way also. 180 transposing plus 40 to the right hand side. Now solve. Samira, it's given to us in the question, if we add the measure of 3 angles, ट्राइंगल के 3 एंगल बनते हैं, उनकी अगर हम डिग्री मेजर को ऐड अप करें, जैसा मर्जी ट्राइंगल हो उसके 3 एंगल्स बनेंगे, उन तीनों का अगर हम डिग्री मेजर ऐड कर दें तो आंसर जो आता है वो 180 आता है. दिस इज अ फैक्ट, नोन फैक्ट. The answer comes out to be 70 degrees. So each of the base angle is 70 degrees. Now I want you to raise your hand if you have a question. Please don't raise your hand if you want to answer a question. Answer the next one. If you have a doubt only, then raise your hand. Yes, Rishit?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have doubt, but I have to say that the answer that I told you, I saw the answer when I subtracted 180 by 40. It was 140, and my answer was 70 degree.
Okay, okay, that's correct. Yes, Chirag?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that, ma'am, whether it is isosceles or scalene or any type of triangle, the sum is always the sum of angles is always 180 degree.
Yes, for a triangle, the sum is always 180. You will be using this property multiple times. This year, I think there is one more chapter we will be using this property. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Even in next class, then in 9th, even in 10th, sum of the 3 angles of a triangle, it is 180. Any type of triangle. Anhad?
Ma'am, this chapter can be completed today.
Yes, yes. We are just left with 2 parts.
Ma'am, next chapter is chapter number 15. Ma'am, in it, ma'am, there are first 2 exercises cut. Ma'am, and other 2 have only one, easy question, 1 or 3 or 4 questions in total.
I know, Anhad.
Ma'am, can
You are confirming or you're telling me? You're just asking or you're telling?
I'm asking, can we do it tomorrow only?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm just going to share a few videos with you. There are 2 or 3 definitions I want you to note down in your textbook, in your notebooks, and then we can do those questions.
Ma'am, share कर देना.
Yes, I will, after the class. Yes, Rishit?
मैम अगर हम आज ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, कल आप इसका थोड़ा सा रिवीजन करवा दोगे?
I will send you the assignment. I would like you to try the assignment questions so that you can see where you stand, how much you know. Then we will decide a day. After like next week on Saturday, we can have a doubt session.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you start this chapter next week?
The next chapter.
Ma'am, yes.
But the chapter is actually very easy. You're going to enjoy doing that.
Okay, ma'am.
There are just like 2 exercises. One exercise has 1 question. The other one has 3 questions which have to be done in the book.
Ma'am, which chapter we will do?
15th.
15th?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, Tanveen. Yes, beta, no problem. All right. I think everyone has written this. The third part of this question is not in your syllabus, so you can write that down. C part, it's deleted.
I'm visualizing solid shapes.
Yes, Rishit. Question number 3, part A. This is again from 4.1. Irfan says that he has, how many marbles he has? He's writing this down. 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Parmeet के पास जितने भी marbles हैं, आपको करना है 5 times. फिर increase करना है वो number by 7. So, if we assume कि Parmeet के पास X marbles हैं, मान लेते हैं Parmeet के पास X marbles हैं, तो उसका 5 times क्या होगा? 5x. फिर आपको
5x.
करना है 7 marbles more. वो हम कर देंगे by adding 7. This tells you कि इरफान के पास कितने marbles हैं. इरफान के पास 5x plus 7 marbles हैं. This is the number of marbles Irfan has. But further they are saying कि ये जो answer आता है, this is equal to 37. The actual number of marbles which Irfan has is 37. So 5x plus 7 ये जो expression बना, this is equal to 37. Correct, Sumaira. Very good. Very good.
And this question is in the exercise 4.1, same to same parts.
Yes,
First two.
it's same to same. Yes, I know.
we have to answer the
The
question.
numbers are also same.
Yes. The number
Can I have
of
the answer?
marbles with Parmeet. So we are writing down what we want to find out. That's what we are assuming. Let's take the number of marbles with Parmeet as X. Then number of marbles which Irfan has. This is equal to 7 more. Then 5 times number of Parmeet's marbles. Convert this statement into mathematical form. I'm going to just ask
5x plus 7 equals to 5x plus 7.
5x plus 7.
Is equal.
And according to question के according, ये जो expression आपने form किया, this is equal to 37. Now just solve. Manpreet, can you quickly tell me how to solve this?
5x is equal to 37 minus 7. 5x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 divided by 5. And ma'am, x is equal to 6.
Right. So Parmeet has, I think I have written different spellings for Parmeet. So you can fix that. It's with I, not with double E.
Can I tell answer of second part?
The next part?
Yes, solving it.
Okay. So Parmeet has 6 marbles.
Ma'am, third chapter will come in syllabus or not?
Yes, Anand. Anyone who is writing this, please tell me. Anyone who is writing this.
Ma'am, I am writing the equation.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. After the ma'am, I have done ma'am 15, 3 and ma'am, I am now doing 11 chapter.
Okay.
Ma'am, it was not ma'am for if your notebook.
Okay.
I'm done.
Yes, Tanvi, the next part is also from the first exercise. वो वहीं से है बिल्कुल. So you are familiar with how to make the equation and then you have to solve it. I'm just waiting for 2 or 3 students who are writing down the answer for
Done.
this. Done.
Done.
Okay. Done. Next question. We are given Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. And his age is actually 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. You have to find out how old is Lakshmi. So let us say she is X years old. So we are representing Lakshmi's age by X. 3 times करेंगे. फिर 4 years older means 4 years more. Older means बड़े हैं वो. तो increase करेंगे हम by 4 years. 3x plus 4. This represents her father's age. All right. So this actually is equal to 49. Her father's age actually is equal to 49. The equation will be 3x plus 4 equals to 49. You can solve it and then find out the value of x. That will be Lakshmi's age. Let's quickly write the answer.
Ma'am, 3x plus 4 equals to 49.
Yes. Let Lakshmi's age be x years. Her father's age, it is 3x plus 4 years. According to question, this value is equal to 49. Okay. Rishit, can you help me write down the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 3x equals to 49 minus 4 equals to 45.
Correct.
X equals to 45 by 3. Ma'am, 1 minute I am writing.
Correct, Angad Meet. Very good, Gurshan Singh. Gunjan Preet, very good. The answer comes out to be 15.
Ma'am, the answer is 15. Ma'am, I was
Correct.
muted.
Okay, okay. So C part again is deleted and question number 4 also is deleted.
I'm done. This last exercise was very easy.
Because now you know how to convert the statement into equation and you know how to solve the equation. So that's why it was very easy. Real life problems in higher classes. In higher classes, usually we deal with this. आपके पास real life problems होंगी, उसको आपको equation में convert करना है, फिर उसको solve करना है. All right. So that completes your chapter number 4. The next chapter that we are going to do is chapter number 15.